Hello everyone, I am Sivesh. Have you came across a situation that you have to compare files by yourself? I'm telling you, you don't have to waste your time because I'm going to show you how you can compare file using Linux. The command that I'm going to use is diff. As you can see here is I have already created 3 files. This is my file 1 and I have named it as a file f1, and this is my file 2 and f2, and this is my file 3 as f3. So now I'm going to use diff with parameters cube to check whether the file differ or not. By using the parameter cube, we can able to know whether the file differ or not. For example, file 1 and file 2. As you can see here now, file 1 and file 2 differs. So let us check with file 1 and file 3. So when the file doesn't differ, it doesn't pop up the message that says differ. But in another way, we also can compare files side by side by using parameter y. For example, now you can see here that both files are same and you don't have to compare also for file 1 and file 3. For file 1 and file 2, in file 2 have Kubuntu, but in file 1 doesn't have Kubuntu. At the same time, in file 1 have Arch Linux, but in file 2 doesn't have Arch Linux. For CentOS, it shows a pipeline symbol because the name are the same, but it has the case differences. As you can see here in file 1, the CentOS has capital C, capital O and capital S compared to the file 2. We also can use parameter I and Y to compare files because parameter I is used to ignore case differences in file content. For instance, let me show you. As you can see here, the CentOS in CentOS here are being ignored because of the case differences. Besides comparing file, we also can compare directory. As you can see here, I have already created 2 directories, directory 1 and directory 2. In both directory have some files. So now we are going to differentiate both directory. As you can see here, the following output shows the difference between both directory. File1a.pdf and file1.pdf are only available in directory 1, but it is not available in directory 2. For file2a.pdf and file2.pdf is only available in directory 2, but not available in directory 1. And for directory 1 not same size PDF and directory 2 not same size PDF differ because the size of the file in directory 1 and directory 2 are not the same, even though their file name are the same. And for the same size PDF, it doesn't differ because both directory has the same size of file. I hope you find this useful.